Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year today. We are making video on the latest and the best for travel Insta camera series of 2023. To buy the products you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1. Product name INSTA 361X2. The INSTA 361X2 is a cutting-edge waterproof action camera that offers a range of advanced features to capture and share immersive content. Designed to withstand rugged environments, the camera boasts a durable build that is waterproof up to a certain depth, making it suitable for underwater adventures and extreme outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the INSTA 361X2 is its exceptional stabilization technology, which ensures that your videos remain smooth and steady even in the most dynamic and fast-paced scenarios. This stabilization capability greatly enhances the quality of footage, making it suitable for professional-level content creation. Equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen, the INSTA 361X2 allows for easy control and navigation, streamlining the user experience. The convenient way to preview and manage captured content directly on the camera, reducing the need to constantly connect to a separate device. Incorporating artificial intelligence, the camera offers automated editing capabilities. This feature leverages AI algorithms to identify key moments in your footage and create edited videos with minimal effort. This is particularly beneficial for those who want to quickly share their experiences without spending excessive time in the editing process. The INSTA 361X2 also supports live streaming, enabling users to broadcast their adventures in real time to platforms such as social media or streaming services. This is ideal for sharing thrilling moments with an audience as they unfold. In conclusion, the INSTA 361X2 is a versatile and rugged action camera that combines waterproof capabilities with advanced stabilization, touchscreen convenience, AI-powered editing, and live stream. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie looking to capture extreme experiences or a content creator seeking to produce high-quality videos, the INSTA 361X2 offers a comprehensive solution for all your action capture needs.
Product 2. Product name UniHertz Titan. The UniHertz Titan Pocket is a unique and compact smartphone that stands out due to its combination of features. Designed with a focus on portability and functionality, the Titan Pocket runs on Android 11 and offers a physical QWERTY keyboard, which is a rare feature in today's touchscreen-dominated smartphone market. With a small 3.1-inch display, the UniHertz Titan Pocket might not offer the expansive screen real estate of larger smartphones, but it compensates for that with its physical keyboard. This keyboard is designed to provide a tactile typing experience, reminiscent of traditional smartphones that had physical keyboards. This can be particularly appealing to individuals who prefer or require a physical keyboard for faster and more accurate typing. Under the hood, the Titan Pocket is equipped with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which should provide decent performance and storage space for everyday tasks and applications. It also supports dual SIM cards, allowing users to efficiently manage 2 phone numbers simultaneously. In terms of its camera capabilities, the UniHertz Titan Pocket features a 16MP camera, which should be adequate for capturing everyday moments. However, it's important to note that this device doesn't seem to heavily emphasize photography, as the camera specifications are more modest compared to some of the camera-centric smartphones available on the market. Moreover, the Titan Pocket supports NFC, near-field communication, which enables contactless payments and data sharing with other NFC-enabled devices. In summary, the UniHertz Titan Pocket is an interesting smartphone option for those who prioritize a physical QWERTY keyboard and portability. While it may not offer the largest display or the most advanced camera features, it compensates with a unique keyboard experience and the familiarity of a physical typing interface. This device is likely to attract a niche audience seeking a more tactile and classic smartphone experience in a modern Android device. Product 3. Product name INSTA 361RS. The INSTA 361RS is a versatile and innovative action camera designed to capture high-quality content in various formats, including 4K 60 FPS, 5.7K 360-degree videos, and more. Known for its adaptability and advanced features, the INSTA361RS stands out as a powerful tool for content creators and adventurers alike. One of the standout features of the INSTA361RS is its waterproof design, which enables users to capture stunning footage in challenging environments, whether underwater or in extreme weather conditions. This feature is particularly appealing to those who engage in water sports, outdoor adventures, and other activities that involve exposure to moisture. The camera's ability to record in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second ensures crisp and smooth video quality, suitable for both action shots and detailed scenes. Additionally, the camera offers a 5.7K 360-degree recording mode, allowing users to create immersive panoramic videos that capture the entire surroundings. This capability is ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes and unique perspectives. What sets the INSTA361RS apart is its interchangeable lens system. Users can opt for different lens options, including the twin, 1-inch, and 4K edition lenses. This versatility allows for various shooting styles, catering to a wide range of preferences and creative needs. The twin edition, for instance, features dual lenses to enable 360-degree content creation, while the 1-inch edition is geared towards delivering exceptional image quality with its larger sensor size. Overall, the INSTA361RS represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology and creative flexibility. Whether you're a thrill seeker aiming to document your adventures or a content creator looking to experiment with immersive storytelling, this action camera offers a comprehensive set of features to help you capture and share your experiences in striking detail.
The INSTA360 Go 3 is a cutting-edge small and lightweight action camera that continues the tradition of its predecessors by offering incredible versatility and portability for capturing immersive moments on the go. This hands-free camera is designed to provide a new level of convenience and ease of use while maintaining high-quality video and image capture. Weighing just a few grams, the INSTA360 Go 3 boasts an incredibly compact and portable form factor that makes it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Despite its size, it packs a punch with advanced features that cater to both casual users and content creators. One of the standout features of the INSTA360 Go 3 is its hands-free functionality. This camera can be attached to various surfaces and worn on clothing, freeing up your hands while still capturing dynamic point-of-view (POV) footage. This is particularly useful for activities like biking. With its ability to mount virtually anywhere, the INSTA360 Go 3 provides creative freedom like never before. Whether you want to attach it to your helmet, a pet's collar, or a moving object, this camera's versatility allows you to capture unique angles and perspectives that weren't easily achievable before. Stabilization technology is another hallmark of the INSTA360 Go 3. Despite its small size, the camera incorporates advanced stabilization algorithms that result in smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. This ensures that your videos are free from the shakiness that can often plague action camera footage. Whether you're a casual user looking to capture life's moments hands-free, a vlogger wanting to create engaging content, or an outdoor enthusiast looking to document your adventures, the INSTA360 Go 3 offers a compact yet powerful solution. Its blend of portability, versatility, and stabilization makes it a remarkable option for anyone seeking a high-quality action camera that fits in the palm of your.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.